A small but very efficient MUN tool from standard rules of procedure are points and yields. These allow you to convey your message in a form that does not involve a speech. Let's first look at points. At ThamesMUN, we encourage the usage of 3 different kinds of points. The first of these is the point of parliamentary inquiry. You may raise this when you have a question about the rules of procedure, the running of committee, or generally anything in committee that you are finding hard to follow. The second is the point of personal privilege. You may raise this point if a delegate is being inaudible or speaking too fast, or if you need to excuse yourself from the committee room. Please note that this is the only point that can interrupt a delegate's speech. The third point is a point of order. If you find that a chairperson has violated the rules of procedure, you may raise a point of order and bring this to their attention. The chair will at several points throughout the committee be asking if there are any points or motions on the floor. At this instance, you may raise your placard and raise your point with the chair.
Let us now look at yields. Yields refer to the different ways in which you can use your excess time from a speech. You can 1. Yield back to the chair. The chair simply absorbs your extra time. Number 2, you can yield to the floor for questions and comments. For the remnant time, delegates may question you or comment on the speech you have just delivered. Or number 3, you can yield to another delegate. In your speech, if you're referring to the actions of another country, you're allowed to yield to your remaining time to the delegate representing that country. This can be a great tool, especially while discussing block positions in the committee. It is important to note here that in order to yield to another delegate, they have to be notified prior to yielding time. According to the rules of procedure, you can only yield time for speeches on the general speakers list. Moderated caucus speech time cannot be yielded.